Good morning guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name's Walter O'Neill, and in today's video you get to see my listings throughout the week, Monday through Friday, and then on Monday I will show you what I've sold. So today's listings, believe it or not, I've just finished filming them for the whole video, but you'll see that a few days ago. So the things I'm putting on eBay today, we have this brass mounted on green marble horse, really nice attractive looking thing, good weight to it, make a nice little paperweight or something, in nice condition, and that's going up for about £30. This is the fun one. We have a Queen Mary period piece of Moorcroft, beautiful piece, tube line decoration, all the rest of it, beautiful colours. Look at that colour on that. That's going on for £12, no reserve, on auction. Fully stamped up, but it's got restoration on the rim, a poor restoration at that. So that's going to be fun, guys. If you're interested in that, you won't get to see the sales on Monday and on this video, I'm sorry, because it's a 10-day auction, but you'll see them on the next week to see what it's sold for. So if you want to see what that sells for, make sure you watch next week's. I'm listing this nice bit of Kribska glass, 1960s glass, and that's going up for about £30 to £35. I was going to put this in the shop, but I decided I'm going to list it now. It's a nice acid etched, nice deep acid etching chemist's bottle or jar, and it's manganese dioxide. I'm going to give it a wipe out since it's going on eBay, and that's going on eBay for about £15. This beautiful motorway jug that I've just finished filming. This little jug is friendship, take and keep it for the giver's sake, and it's from Mary Woodrash of Surrey, fully signed up piece, but I also have the label underneath. That's going up for £35. All my stuff comes with best offer, guys, more or less. So if I put it up for £30, £35 and someone offers me £20, £25, I consider it. So we'll see. And my final piece is a solid silver or sterling silver, 925 parts, Charles and Diana St. Paul's Cathedral medallion. And that's going up for probably £12 with no offers. As I say, most items have offers. So that's today's listings, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll be really pleased if I get to do them later on, because as you're aware, if you've been watching the video, I've made 3 videos this morning already, all with the baby here with me. I've just got it off to sleep now. Come have a little look. You ready? Isn't she just cute? So, anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's listings. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday morning. Didn't work yesterday as I thought on Monday when I spoke to you last. I had the baby all day. We had all different appointments and everything. I didn't get to come to shop and open up the shop. Whilst I was at home, I didn't really get to do much either. So yesterday was a total flop. But what I have done is this week I've created a sale on my eBay to generate faster sales, because I want to go Malvern on Sunday. And I want to go up to Malvern and buy some Chinese porcelain and things. So I've put a sale on my eBay to increase the sales this week, get a bit of spare money in that I can just forget about, go out and buy some really nice broken bits of Chinese. I know it's not every day people go out looking for damaged pieces, but keeps the price down for my study. Right, so today's little haul, we have beautiful mid-19th century, circa 1862 jug by Ashworth's, Chinese pattern on there. It has the Royal Crest mark, which they started in 62, albeit it's got a spelling mistake on the maker's mark, but it is an authentic jug. That's going up for £30. I have a pair of very large Art Deco vases. Now, they're both in beautiful condition, no damage to either of them. They're by a company called Bagley. The pattern is a bamboo vase and there's a shape number 3007. So done my research on these before we're done. They are uranium, so they glow up under ultraviolet light. And we have a large pair. Now I'm going to list those at 40 for the pair. I may have an offer of 35 or something like that, which I'll probably take. But they actually owed me 20 quid, so they got to go out for 40. Maybe even 45 to take 40. Because I like to double my money after before costs. Next piece we got is Wedgwood, yep, Wedgwood glass elephant. Now I love the colouring. Look at the colouring coming through this. It's absolutely spectacular. See, if I had more light you could see it tidy, but yeah, really, really nice colouring. It's got its original label. Is it signed on the base? No, I can't see a signature, but it's got its original label on there, Wedgwood glass. Perfect condition. That's going to go out for about £22, but I'm hoping to achieve about £18 to £20 for that. Next listing is going to be a set of 4 Victorian glasses. Now these are really nice. They got a baluster stem. The bowls are all facet cut or cut into panels. Pontle has been ground out and then polished smooth. A nice sound, obviously. Now I got a set of 4, but sadly they're not worth a lot of money. The 4 of them are going to go on for about £15 as a set. That's probably all they're worth, to be totally honest with you. 15 to 20 quid, £4 or £5 a glass. But £15 will get them sold. And to be honest with you, I don't care if they go for a tenner. They come in, they probably owe me £1 or something like that for the 4, so I don't mind that. This, on the other hand, is a really nice piece of crystal. Now it's English crystal, company's Royal Briley. This example is signed and numbered, so you got the Royal Briley signature just there, and then they got a number here of 244. Now that could be a shape number or it could be a limited edition, but it doesn't come with paperwork or anything. This is all nicely acid etched of Worcester Cathedral. 900 years, 1084 to 1984. So really nice goblet. And again, that's going to go out for about £15. Isn't it crazy how something that's maybe 20-year-old can go out for 20 quid, and then these 100+ years old go out for 15. But it is what it is. That's a really nice goblet, and to be honest with you, I'd actually drink out of that if I was a wine drinker or something. It's not a bad little glass. Next piece I'm going to show you is a pair of Walker and Hall silver plate, unfortunately. Dishes, no liners. They would have had a liner originally. Nice easy stamp there with the flag, Walker and Hall. There's a pattern number in there. I can't read it without my glasses on, but nice pair in good condition. They're going to go up for about £12 to £15. Again, not a lot, but they didn't cost a lot of money either. They probably come in for about £1, something like that, at the car boot sale. So all in all, that's my listings for today. Let's see how I get on tomorrow. I'm going to get these listed now and we'll go from there, guys. So stay tuned to find out how what I list tomorrow, how my sales go over the week, and see if the sale helps at all. See you soon. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday and I'm going to show you today's listings. I've selected a few little pieces. Shockingly, I was told this was actually worth more than I thought when I purchased it. It's the 40th anniversary USS Enterprise, so I've listed that now this morning at £40. That was a bit of a shocker because I thought it was worth 10 or 15 quid, but obviously not. People are selling them for 40s and asking 50s, so that was a nice surprise. We have an old school bell. Nice turned handle on there, nice brass bell, and its original clanger. I put that on for 20 this morning. It's only a small version. I've put on this beautiful Victorian cranberry glass jug. Now it's got a writhen body, if you can see that turning, and then it's got a threaded top, almost like a match striker version, but threaded top here. Snapped and ground out and smooth polished. Excuse me. Ground and polished smooth pontle. And a clear handle. And I put that on for 22. Really nice Victorian example there. I had a pair of candle holders. They could also be the bases of hurricane lamps, to be honest with you, but they go in as candle holders. They're produced by rolled open crystal. So they're fine English crystal. They have a lovely shape to the stem. That beautiful bladed knob. No, it's not a bladed knob, it's a square knob. Really nice. They signed on the base. I put them on for £15. This next piece is another reproduction of Clarice Cliff style painting. This one's done by Wade Porcelain, and the pattern is Paradise from the Gallery collection. And I've put this on for £15, in good condition again. My favourite item gone on today, I've put onto auction. Now this is Chinese, it's carved in stone, and it's either an oxen rider or a water buffalo. I'm not 100%, but the quality is superb. Now, as I've said, it is stone. I think the name for this type of carving in stone is Duan, but I'm not certain. But it is a nice piece. But I've also put it on for some decent money. This, I'd say, is a 19th century example. Just looking at the rider there. So I've put it on auction for 10 days at £49 start. If it doesn't sell, I'm then going to probably list it at £65 or £70 on a shop listing. But the reason I've gone on to auction is because I don't know what the true value is of this piece. It's chipped on the foot, it's chipped on the crop, riding crop, it's chipped on the horns, but it is still such a collectible item. If it doesn't sell, it's one I don't mind keeping in my Oriental collection anyway. But it is what it is. So that's today's listings, guys. All available on my eBay. Hopefully we'll get some of these sold soon. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Okay, it's Friday morning. You'll have to excuse me, I am full up of a cold. Friday morning, it's Monday morning, I'm sorry. Looking at my sales, this is the motorway jug from last week. I sold that for £27.50. Sold same day I listed it. That was the the Mary Wandrash. The paper's there to stop people's usernames because people don't like seeing their usernames. I sold an Ainsley T for 1 for a tenner. Victorian, early Victorian pub rubber with a snapped pontle for 12. The first of my Lorna Bailey pieces is gone for £35. That was the limited edition Hill House. I sold another Rimaniki Tamara Aladdin vase for £20. Rolled gold bangle, I took 15 on that. The beautiful solid silver and cut glass box, I took £28 on that one. A Wedgwood elephant, that's a glass elephant, I took 18. Gold on silver dress ring, I took £25. A double I was going to say WAS Benson, but it's not Benson. It's just JS&S Arts and Crafts chamber stick, $14.40, really strange price. And a West German pottery vase, I took a tenner on it. Now, I done a sale to generate some extra funds this week to go to Malvin and buy some Chinese, which I'll film one day in the week for you. But not until my cold is gone, guys.